Hello everyone, Mike is here. In this video, I want to show you on how to customer sorting in Power BI report visuals. For example, how to sort table or matrix visuals by raw fields or chart by axis, etc. Such scenarios are often faced the case when we make a report. In this video, I'm using the matrix visual sorted by raw fields as example, but my suggested approach can be extended for sorting other visuals as well. In my example desktop file report page, we have a matrix visual to describe column values field of the maximum, minimum, and average by raw strings field of the systolic BP, heartbeat, and diastolic BP. The visual raw fields inputs come from the column attribute of the table BP max min on pivot table by M. They are listed in ascending or a descending order by alpha bits. But often we want our customized sorting order that is neither by alpha bit or values. For example, in our case, we want first the systolic BP, then diastolic BP, finally the heartbeat. To make the customer sorting for our case, one approach is to create additionally DIM table which has the column order index to link the BP attribute indicators. Make its relationship with the table BP max min on pivot table by M. Then use the column tools sort by column features to realize the customer sorting in matrix visual. The additional table creation can be done by DAX expression or by Power Query. In this video, let's apply the DAX expression. In top ribbon and Home tab, click the New Table. Name the table as BP indicator index by DAX. We use a function data table to create a table. In the table, we need three columns. First one is the BP attribute. Data type is string. Second column is the indicator, which we should like to give a short name to the BP attribute. Data type is the same as string. Third column is the order index. Data type should be integer. Now we give the inputs to each column of the table. Systolic BP, which short name is systolic. Order index for it is 1. Diastolic BP, which short name is diastolic. Order index for it is 2. Heartbeat, which short name is pulse. Order index is 3. Close bracket, evaluated it, and OK. We have the table ready now. Click the column attribute, then on top ribbon, click the arrow of the icon, sort by column, choose index from the list. Do the same action to the column indicator. Move to Model View, link the created table with the table BP max min on pivot table by M, while attribute key in both sides. Move to Report View, click the existing matrix visual. In raw fields, remove the column attribute of the unpivot table and replace it by the column attribute of the new table, BP indicator index by DAX. Refresh sorting, we see the expected customer sorting to the raw field. Then replace the column attribute by column indicator. We get same customer sorting to the short name indicator. Thanks for your watching. In next video, I shall show you the approach on creating sorting DIM table by Power Query. If you like watch more videos from my channel, please press subscribe button. See you in next video.